Hey besties! I am super excited about this month's collection because it is my birthday month and I love all that Madame Glam always seems to deliver. So let's check out what's inside. Look at this packaging. Ugh. And then these gels. Oh my goodness. I am in heaven, you guys. Look at all these pinks and glitters. So there's 4 cream formulas and there is 4 glitter formulas. I am super excited to swatch these. So the first gel in this collection is Loyal. This is a very, very, very pale pink. It looks white, but if you look down on the bottle, you can kind of see the pink hues. You will definitely see it more when I do a side-by-side at the end of the video and I show it compared to like a pink and then next to my skin tone. Definitely has pink undertones and I am loving it. The next color in this collection is Lilac Lace. Very, very pretty. Almost like it's light like pastel, but it has like very bright purplish pink hues in it. I am loving this one. And look at their creamy formula as always. Chef's Kiss. The next color in this collection is Love's Veil. Very, very beautiful pink. The next color in this collection is Berry Blush. This one's really pretty. It's got that like rosy pink. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, they just continue to blow me away with their collections. Honestly, they put so much time and thought into them, and I just really appreciate that. So the first glitter formula in this collection is Dearest. And these are everything, you guys. They have like a metallic flake-like glitter in them, but they lay down so smooth. You would not even be able to tell that there is glitter in it. These formulas are everything. 1 coat coverage, look at that. Oh my goodness. And I am so sorry about my dog barking. She always is by me. The next color in this collection is Lstruck, again with the glitter formulas. This one's a little more on the transparent side as far as like the color base to it, but it is packed full of glitter. The purples and the hollows, the rainbow glitters. Oh my goodness. This one is giving for sure. Look at that glitter and those reflex. Oh,
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
The next color in this collection is a super pretty pink. It's Glazed Dmor. This one is probably one of my favorites. It's again got those like flaky like glitters in it, and the coverage is just everything. Look at that 1 coat coverage. Oh my goodness, you guys. Absolutely stunning. This one is definitely giving Barbie vibes all the way. Love it. And the final color in this collection is Heart Glow. And this is a super pretty red, and it's again got that like metallic like glitter in it. I love when they use the glitter like this. The way it lays down, you wouldn't even be able to tell again that there is glitter in it. You know how some are just super chunky and gritty like? Not these. These are creamy. Like BooCreamy. Look at that glitter and that reflect, you guys. Okay, so here are all the colors swatched out. These are all one coat. I never do 2 coats with Madame Glam's formula. You just don't need to. Unless you're using more of like a transparent or a jelly like. Even with their jellies though, I've noticed you really only need 1 coat. Look at those reflex, you guys. And what I love about this collection is it's like no matter what color you are pairing it up with, these all talk so well together. These are my favorite pairs though. The cream with a glitter, absolutely beautiful. I loved every color in this collection, but that purple is so pretty, and same with that like light pink white. Oh my goodness. And I will show you really quick with it compared to a pink up next to me. You can definitely see that it has those pink undertones. It's just very, very, very subtle. I love it. Very pretty. Especially if you were doing like a French tip where you don't want it like super bright white, the Loyal would be absolutely perfect for it. But I just want to give a huge thank you to Madame Glam for sending these over. As always, I will leave all this listed down below for you guys. But that is pretty much it for this one. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!